Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new here, my name is Nkenna. I am responsible for everything that goes on here. As you guys can tell from the title of today's video, I'm going to be doing another wig unboxing slash first impression. The unit that I'm wearing is from the Sensationnel Empress collection. This is a lace front wig, and the name of this unit is the Boutique Kinky Straight. This is in a color TP1B 3330. I'll make sure that I have all that information down in the description box below. This unit is heat safe from 350 degrees to 400 degrees if you do want to get it bone straight or put a little bend in it. It does say on the information card that this is 100% premium fiber, and it does say that you can shift this unit so you can wear it in 3 different ways. So middle parts are my preference if you guys have been watching for a while. However, you can wear it as a side part on the left or the right. That was backwards. On the right or the left. And then on the back of the information card, it does list other colors that this unit does come in. So taking a look underneath the unit, you guys can see that there are 2 combs that are on the perimeter of the unit, but somewhat in the general vicinity of the parting space here. It is a middle part. At the bottom of the unit, you guys can also see that there's 1 additional comb, and then there are adjustable straps on each side. So straight out of the package, this is what the unit looks like. As you guys can see, it does come with that customary amount of lace that synthetic units do come with. Just to give you guys a closer look, this is what the parting space does look like pre-manipulation. Initial thoughts, this unit is very frizzy, and it kind of looks purple to me. But yeah, this is very frizzy. Like, I tried brushing it, and I think that just added more static and made it even more frizzy than it is right now. It looks like they tried to cut some natural, not baby hairs, but like natural breakage into I'm a clown. I just don't like when they cut those long baby hairs into a unit, because I have somewhat of a prominent hairline and like my brows start right here. So it's like, why am I gelling baby hairs down into my eyebrows? Like, what for? Why? What is the purpose? So anywho, I'm getting distracted. As always, I'm going to come to you guys at the very end of the video with all my thoughts, comments, concerns about this unit. I'm going to style it up a bit and see what we're working with. Not too much, not going to like do a total transformation, just kind of, you know, see what we're working with. And yeah, I will come back to you guys at the very end with all my thoughts and comments and concerns. So you guys, this is the finished look. As always, I went in and hit that parting space with a scalp toned powder. I used the Bombshell bronzer from my Ulta contour palette. It's right here. I used this bottom shade for my scalp. Looking at it as a side part, I'm actually not mad at this. I like this. This is really cute. The bang is a little overwhelming. It's gonna get annoying like this falling in my face constantly, but I like it. It's cute. I wish maybe like some long layers were cut into this, but it's nice just to show you guys the different parting options. I'll probably shift it to the left so that you guys can see what that looks like too. Okay, but look at it to the left. I like this too. This is really cute. Like I said, it's just overwhelming. I don't like hair in my face. I didn't mean to flick it like that, but you know, I could see cutting some long layers into this because this is overwhelming. I'm not about the Cyclops life. I like to see what I am doing. This has a very natural density. It's not too bulky, which is nice because it's summertime. You don't want like 7-10 bundles of hair on your head clinging to you and clinging to the sweat of your neck. It just feels good. It's very flowy, very light, very, very natural. The parting space was well done. If you want to, you can go in and tweeze it out. However, just hit it with some powder and look at that. Voila, you got something going on. I just went in with my flat iron and evened some places out, and that did help with the frizziness and the flyaways because I was getting annoyed. It kept getting in my eyes and stabbing me. So I just went over with my flat iron 1 or 2 times, and everything is nice and silky and smooth and uniform. In terms of length and where it's hitting me, this is where it's hitting me. Right here, so not quite the tops of my hips. Tops of my hips are down here. My belly button is right here, and I am 5'9½". The unit is soft. You are getting a few snags at the bottom of the hair, but for the most part, it's running through freely. It feels good. It feels very, very soft, which I like. One major con for me though is that it is shedding like crazy. It's not catching snags and it's not tangling. So with that said, then it's just, the hair is just coming out. Like you literally do this and like 3-4 strands come out, and that was gentle. Like I'm not even applying pressure, just letting my hands through, like open hands, and like 3 or 4 strands just coming out. So it's gonna shed a lot, and for this to be a natural density slash thin unit, that's not good because it's gonna thin out pretty quickly. So in terms of luster and shine of this unit, it is shiny and it does look plasticky actually. Now, like when you look at it up close, from far away you're like, oh, okay, like that looks cute. But when you get up close, it's very shiny and it does look plasticky. It doesn't look like just natural hair, like it looks like fibers. I think paired with the purplish brown and then the way that the highlights were done, it just makes it look very, very wiggy. In terms of cap construction, this is fitting very well on my head. It doesn't feel like it's gonna slide back. I'm not using combs. I never use the combs on synthetic units, and I don't feel like I would need to use any type of wig adhesive to keep it down. I also did not adjust any of the straps on the unit. So yeah, that is all that I have for you guys. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys want to see more wig unboxings, definitely comment that down below. I'll make sure that I have all of the pertinent information in the description box below. And that is everything. As always, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys later. Bye.
To the question, I don't know it. I just wanna love you, just to make you smile. That's the motive.